Today we are going to learn how to export the 3S Max file to Twinmotion and just a basic introduction to Twinmotion. First, just normally what you do in any other software, just export. And this dialog box will appear. Just click OK, and you need to export the file as the FBX, so you could open it into the Twinmotion easily. Once you open the Twinmotion, you could once you open the Twinmotion, um, it's pretty easy to use. You could see on the top in the center that how the mouse button works, like to orbit and middle mouse button to pen. Um, when you have any object or something, you could, if you want to add the material, you could easily choose the material and just drag them over. If you want to import any file, just click on the import and choose the file you want, and it would import easily. This was the city block model that we made. Now, if you want to add any vegetation, you could easily do that on top of the surface. Even the surface is like not planar or straight or at an angle. Here I'm just changing the material, just dragging the material, whichever material you want, to the surface. And you could even drag the people, like animated people. And add the lights. Um, the lights would just drag the light and put it on the surface that we want. There are many light options in the Twinmotion. So yeah, this is how you change the material of the object and how you import the file. Thank you for watching.